Okay, so what we're doing here is, instead of doing a bias tape like we did on our original version, is a satin stitch, because it's cleaner, it's easier, and surprisingly faster. So it has no risk of unsticking. So my settings are, I'm putting the needle position completely on the right. My width is 3 and the length is as small as you possibly can get it to be, while still advancing. So I'm trying to get it as close as possible to the side right here. If it's too far, I might change the settings, but for now, I think it'll be fine. We'll check after this line is done. I'm using my piping as my measurement guide. Okay, so let's compare. Is this what we want? Is this what we need? Do we want it wider? Let's just check that out. So by doing my test, I kind of want it to be wider. So I might just change my setting to 3.5 or 4, and I'll test out the top of it. So again, staying the same distance from the piping. So just be careful not to catch your seam when you do this. For me, I know that this is within the seam allowance, so I'm just gonna clip it out as to not disrupt the satin stitch, but you really need to be careful. So here you go. It's beautiful. Imagine this in gray when this is completely sewn. It can be equal, just absolutely beautiful. So